Welcome, chess kings. You know how to end a game with a fast checkmate? But today, we make sure you don't lose one fast. I'm showing you the single biggest mistake beginners making in their first 5 moves. Let's get into the video.
The mistake is simple, moving your queen out too early. Watch this. White has spent 3 moves to deal up just one piece, and black is ahead. This is just wasting time.
So what's the golden rule? Develop your knights and bishops first. Look at this position compared to the first one. White has 3 pieces developed, ready to castle, and controls the center. No piece has had to move twice. This is how you build a solid foundation. So put the queen back on the bench for a few moves. This is tip in your next game. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. We're so close to just 10 subscribers. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite opening. Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.